All right, moving right along. I'm going to give you this lovely list of, there we go. I'm going to give you this lovely list of themes that could possibly be applied to this poem. And we are going to vote on which theme is correct. So number 1, persistence pays off. 2, good can come from bad. 3, a cheerful attitude can overcome obstacles. Or 4, love conquers all. So we're going to start with love conquers all. Thumbs up if you think that is the theme of this poem. Thumbs down if you disagree. Let's see. It is not the theme of this poem. It is not talking about love at all. All right, moving right along. Persistence pays off. Now remember, persistence means that you keep trying and you're not giving up. So thumbs up if you think persistence pays off is the theme of this poem. Thumbs down if you do not think that is the theme. Let's see. Nope. They're not trying over and over for anything on here. So persistence is not the theme. We are left with 2. Either of these themes can be supported by the text. So it can either be good can come from bad, or a tearful attitude can overcome obstacles. So let's look for our text evidence, because we always want to go back in our text and support our answers. So for the theme good can come from bad, our text evidence is the day starts out badly because of the rain, which we get in our first stanza. The speaker builds indoor forts, which we get in our second stanza. The speaker realizes that rainy days can still be fun. So that supports the theme, good can come from bad. Now let's look at our other theme. A cheerful attitude can overcome obstacles. Can you find evidence to support this theme? Everyone say hello to our guest teacher, Addie. This is my 1-year-old. Addie, say hi. Hi. All right, so you could possibly find evidence to this theme, but it would not be as easy to find it as the other one. So the theme that we would go for is... Bye-bye, Addie. The theme that we would go for would be the first one that we just talked about. Good could come from bad. But keep in mind that a story can also have multiple themes.